So there, I've brought all my succulents inside, and I just went through them all, give the roots another rinse, and I washed all the pots out in about a 10% bleach solution, let them soak there for at least 10 minutes, and then rinsed them out real well and dried them. And then I had them laying out here. The good thing about succulents is they don't seem to mind if you let them lay and dry out for a few days. So they've been sitting here until I had time to deal with them again. And I thought I'd show you. I'd said how these ones, I think they're called panda's ears or something. This one, and it's a real fuzzy leaf. And I said how I just use a brush, see, like just a baby's hairbrush, and you just very gently brush it. And that cleans the dirt off, but it doesn't seem to bother the fuzzy texture of the leaf at all. That still seems to stay intact. So that's what I use for that. Sorry, the light's a little funny. I'm in my room where I have my plants where they grow, and the plant light is on. It has a little bit of a purple hue to it. So the lighting's a little funny here, but so that's what I do just to clean these leaves off that are kind of fuzzy. And you could do the same. This rosette's not bad, but you could do the same thing. You could just give it a gentle little brush. Another thing that works well is a paintbrush, a soft fuzzy paintbrush, or a brush that you might use to clean the lens of a camera. It works well too, just to clean off those spots and get the dirt out. These here, I don't know if you can see, there's just a little bit there. So just give them a little nip there. And then I also had said how when I do the soil, I have it like about half perlite. So I have a cactus soil mix, and then it really was, I put half this, the amount of soil I used again in perlite. So it's mostly perlite. That allows a lot of good drainage for the roots of the plant, the succulents, and that's what they prefer, is a lot of good drainage. They certainly don't want to sit in soggy soil. So this is what I have found works best for me here, especially overwintering them indoors, just to give them lots of good drainage. So that's what I do. Sometimes when I'm putting them outside, I won't worry as much, or I'll mix a little bit of sand or something in, but definitely when I have them inside, then I make sure that they have lots of perlite in the soil, like I said, about 50% mix of perlite to the soil mix. And it's, like I said, it's a cactus, it's mixed, it's not like compost or anything. I just wanted to show you this pot. These were the pretty rosettes and a few of the leaf cuttings that I took after that hailstorm, and I had set them in this pot just to grow. And I've had them in the house because they were the nicer pieces that had less damage sustained, and I wanted to keep them that way since so much had gotten wrecked. So they've been in the house under grow lights for the summer, but the pot's looking very nice. So what I'm going to do now is go through these plants, refill the pots. I might take a few of these. I haven't decided yet. Like, this one has such a nice rosette started on it, and I can't decide if I should cut the rosette off and just plant the rootstock again and let it see if it grows another one and grow the rosette on, or what I need to do with that. So I need to decide, but looks like there's a good stem there, so I think I will get a nice sharp knife and cut that rosette off. It has some other pieces coming along the side there, and I think I will just cut that off, replant the ugly nubby stem, and just see what happens with that. But I'll keep the rosette for sure. I'll also be going through these plants and looking, like this one, you can see there's some dried dried up leaves on the bottom, so I need to go through all of this and just pull that off while it's easy to get at. So I'll just go through and I'll clean them all up, brush them off, and get them planted up. So once I have them planted up, I'll show you what it looks like. But this is the point we're at for now. And I just thought I'd give you that little look at this, what I do here for this part. I'll see you when they're done.